Hello, friends. Welcome back.
Hi, Ben and Mary. Welcome home. How was school today?
School was okay, but the bus was crazy loud.
Mom, look at this. I was playing Minecraft on the tablet. I really enjoyed it. Okay, hey Dad, look what I have learned today.
Wow, son, that is great.
Okay, what would you like? Eat your apple and drink your milk.
Mom, cookies, please. Do we have cookies?
Maybe, but fruit is better after school. Liam also likes apples, remember?
All right, an apple is okay, but I will also have cookies, and I will have milk too.
Finally, we're home. I'm so ready for screen time.
Screen time means time spent looking at screens. Phone, tablet, TV, or computer.
Mom, can I play 1 hour every day? Not more.
Mom, I am playing Minecraft. I always play Minecraft after school.
Minecraft again? You never get tired of it?
Nope, it's always fun.
I'll watch YouTube. There's a new song video I want to see.
A song video? Which one, Mom?
Yes, my friend told me about it. She said it's really cool.
Okay then, YouTube for you.
Minecraft for me.
Deal, 1 hour only, then homework.
1 quiet hour passes. The house is peaceful, except for the soft sounds of clicking and music. Then the screen time ends and homework begins.
Okay, time's up. Homework now. Are you ready? The sooner you start, the sooner you finish.
Okay, I'll start with math, but these problems look really hard.
Problems means math questions or exercises. Problems look really hard, but if you practice, you will be good at it.
Hey everyone, I am home. What are you all doing?
Hi, Dad. I'm stuck on this question.
Stuck means not able to continue or find the answer.
All right, let's take a look. What's the problem? It's not that hard.
Dad explains the math slowly, showing him each step with patience and a smile.
Dad, dinner smells so good. What are you cooking? Yes, I am just helping your mom to cut vegetables.
I am cooking pasta for y'all tonight.
Can we eat now?
Homework first. That's the rule, remember?
That's right. First work, then fun.
Rule means something you must follow or obey. Ben finishes his homework slowly, but carefully. Soon, the smell of pasta fills the house.
Mom, finally dinner is ready. I'm starving.
Starving means very, very hungry.
Good work today, team. You played, learned, and helped each other. That's a great day.
Tomorrow, I'll finish homework faster so I can play longer.
We'll see about that. And that's how the evening ends in Mia and Ben's home, with laughter, learning, and the warm smell of dinner. Remember, friends, even small moments at home can teach big lessons. Snack first, screen later, and always learn step by step. Word meanings recap. Noisy, full of loud sounds. Snack, a small meal between main meals. Screen time, time spent using phones, tablets, or computers. Problem, a math question or exercise. Stuck, not able to find the answer. Rule, something you must follow. Starving, very hungry.